Hi, I'm Nelton Tobias, a medical student at KCMU Core, and today I'll be talking about body fluid compartments. Starting with the introduction, the total body fluid is distributed mainly between two compartments, such as intracellular fluid compartment and extracellular fluid compartment. Uh, Extracellular fluid compartment is further divided into two main compartments, such as interstitial and plasma. But also there is another special compartment called transcellular fluid compartment, and it includes fluids in the synovial, peritoneal, pericardial, and intraocular spaces, as well as cerebrospinal fluid. This compartment is considered to be a specialized type of extracellular fluid, although in some cases its composition may differ markedly from that of the plasma or interstitial fluid, and all the transcellular fluid constitute about 1 to 2 liters. In a 70-kilogram adult man, the total body water is about 60% of the body weight, or about 42 liters. So this estimation has been taken for a 70-kilogram man because the content of water may differ from person to person. Let's start with the intracellular fluid compartment, and these contain about 28 liters of the 42 liters of the body fluid, and this fluid is inside the cells, and there are about 100 trillion cells in a human body. Intracellular fluid constitutes about 40% of the total body weight, and the fluid of each cells contain its individual mixture of different constituents. But the concentration of these substances are similar from one cell to another cell. The composition of cell fluids is similar even in different animals, ranging from the most primitive microorganisms to humans. And for this reason, the intracellular fluid of all different cells together is considered to be one large fluid compartment. Moving to extracellular fluid compartment, all the fluids outside the cells are considered to be extracellular fluid compartment, and they account for about 20% of the body weight, or about 14 liters, you can say, in a 70 kg man. And the two largest compartments of the extracellular fluid are two: the interstitial and the plasma. The interstitial, it makes up about three-fourths, which is about 11 liters of the extracellular fluid, and the plasma, which makes up almost one-fourth of the extracellular fluid, or you can say about 3 liters. The extracellular fluids are constantly mixing, so the plasma and the interstitial fluids have about the same composition, except for proteins, which have a higher concentration in the plasma. Uh, you know, Fluids in plasma and in interstitial, they are always mixing because these fluids, they are being separated by a membrane, and this membrane is highly permeable, except for proteins which cannot pass. So fluids are always moving between these two compartments, and this is the picture. I obtained it from a book of my reference, which is Guyton and All, 13th edition. It shows a summary of the fluid compartments. As I told you, there are two major compartments: intracellular and extracellular. Intracellular constitutes about 28 liters, as you can see, 28 liters, and the extracellular contains about 14 liters, which is further divided into two smaller compartments such as interstitial and the plasma. Interstitial contains about 11 liters and the plasma contains about 3 liters. And fluid between these two smaller compartments, plasma and interstitial, are always mixing. And this property makes it these two compartments having similar or same constituents. And these materials from interstitial to plasma or from plasma to interstitial are moving through a membrane. This is called a capillary membrane. It is highly permeable, so they always move from one compartment to another compartment. I would like to thank you for listening. This is my reference, Gayton and Hall textbook, 13th edition. It is really a good book. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Don't forget to like. Have a wonderful day.